Hi everyone! Welcome back to another fun money origami tutorial. Today, we're folding a charming origami bird using dollar bills. It's simple, creative, and perfect for beginners and bird lovers alike. Let's flap into it. Step 1. Make a square using $3 bills. Tape $3 bills side by side to create a perfect square. Origami tip. Keep the tape on the backside only and press the bills flat to make clean folds easier. Step 2. Fold the square in half vertically. Fold the square in half vertically from top to bottom. Crease firmly, then unfold to reveal a center guideline. Step 3. Fold all 4 corners to the center. Now, take each of the 4 corners and fold them into the middle point. This forms the base of the bird and gives it a nice symmetrical shape. Origami Tip. Make sure all the tips meet at the center for a neat finish. Step 4. Fold both sides to the center. Take the left and right edges of your shape and fold them toward the center crease. You should now have a long, narrow shape. This will be the bird's body. Step 5. Unfold and refold as instructed. Open up the paper slightly and follow the guided folds to shape the body and wings of the bird. This step helps make it look more three-dimensional. Origami tip. Be gentle when reshaping. It helps avoid crumpling and gives a smoother final look. Step 6. Fold the head. Pick one end and fold a small section down to form the bird's head. Angle it slightly if you want your bird to look curious or playful. Step 7. Fold the tail. Now move to the opposite end and fold out a triangle to make the tail feathers. You can make it wide or narrow depending on your bird style. Step 8. Fold the legs. Fold small tabs underneath to create the bird's legs. You can fold them flat or adjust them so your bird can stand. Step 9. Done. And just like that, your money origami bird is ready to fly. It's simple, adorable, and makes a great little gift or decoration. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to tell us what you'd like to fold next. Thanks for watching, and happy folding. Money origami, origami bird, dollar origami, easy origami, fun origami, origami animals, creative origami.